Hey there! Is this going to be your very first PTE exam? Do you feel nervous? Did you know that you cannot take anything in the exam room with you? So what are you gonna do? Let me help you with our quick tip of the week. So you're going for the PTE exam and you don't know what to do or what to expect. And you cannot bring any personal belongings into the exam room at all. Everything will have to be left outside in the locker in the lobby area. So what are you supposed to do? They're going to give you a couple of things before you enter the exam room. First, an erasable notebook, and second, 2 markers. Before I give you the most important tip, make sure to like, save this video, and subscribe to our page. Alright? Do it! Let me share with you the most important tip. When you're given the exam, it often happens that at least one of the markers may run out of ink. What do? You must always check both markers before you enter the exam room. Quickly check them on your erasable notebook. If one of them is faulty, ask for replacement. Make sure you keep writing. At the same time, raise your other hand to get the examiner's attention. Make sure to like this video.